Hi! In this video, I will show you how to download and set up Keybank mobile app. So just head over first to your Play Store and App Store depending on your liking. After that, click on the search option right here and then search in here for Keybank mobile app. Now you should be able to see in here the Keybank mobile banking, so head over it and make sure to install this particular application. Once it's been installed, the next thing you need to do is to log in and set it up. Head over and then enter your Key Navigator user ID, or you can also use in here the secure sign-on or SSO. So head over and then log in to your mobile application for the Keybank. Then after that, you can head over and set it up. You can deposit, transfer, withdraw, and a lot more. You can also scan some checks if you want to as well. So head over and then use it as usual to your liking once you have actually installed it. So that's how you download and set up Keybank mobile app. Hope you helped.